All right, hey, 4th through 6th graders, welcome to our YouTube live for today. When I call off your name, if you have no questions on math, you can head out. So that's totally fine with me. Blake, I see you checked in. Thank you for checking in. Carson, thank you. Jeremy and Caitlin, Jesselyn, Greta, Jillian, Emma, Bristol, Kaylee, Cadence. Sorry, my phone went off. Caden, Raleigh, Carson and Gabe. Kellen, Morgan and Dory. Haley, thank you for tuning in. Cammie. Weston, Gabe, Luke, Chloe, Gabri. Thank you guys all for tuning in. If you guys have questions, let me know on your assignment for today. Hopefully, today was your catch-up day for 4th through 6th. So, like today is a big day. If you have questions, if you skipped any problems, let me know. Today we'll probably, if there's not a lot of questions, we'll probably only go to 11:30. And if you have questions that you don't want to, or questions that come up later, just email me. Yep, Carson's here. Thank you for tuning in. I'm putting in your guys' grades from last week today. That should be done. And I will be emailing you if you are missing any assignments. I will be emailing you and your parents so you could be catching up over the weekend or in the next week. We just don't want to fall too far behind with some of these assignments. But if you've been on top of your assignments and have turned everything in, you're good. You should be good. You do have homework. Yep. I saw who was in the finale, but I don't know who won Lego Masters. Kellen. Lesson 63, number 69, Carson. That doesn't exist. Bye, Morgan and Dory. Thank you for tuning in. The math assignments for 5th grade for this week. Oh, that's this next week. I gotta pull it up. Fifth grade, you were lesson 65, 1 through 28, and lesson 66, 1 through 24. Blake, that answers your question. Emma, you should be good. I haven't exactly looked, but I'll send you an email if you are missing anything. Jillian, that's good. I never watched after what we were watching in class, so I just saw a commercial on it and I saw who was in the finals. Gabri, Cammie, bye. Thank you for tuning in. Gabe, Carson, Caden, thank you for tuning in. That's cool. Did you get a double bullseye or just a bullseye, Greta? Aiden, thank you for tuning in. Bye, Kaylee. Bye, Aiden. You're welcome, Emma. Bye, Blake. Bye, Weston. And yeah, I'm guessing the sun is hot, Chloe, but it's good. I mean, it's nice that it's going to be nice out. Next week it's supposed to be in like the 60s, so that's really nice. Oh, just a bullseye. That's still good, Greta. Ava, thank you for checking in. Bye, Raleigh. Thank you for tuning in. Tyler and Amy. Carson and Gabe, thank you for checking in. See you guys later. I can't remember which one those were. Tyler and Amy. I can't remember those. Yeah, since it's nice out, Greta, you'll definitely be able to. Thanks, Luke. Appreciate it. Not the Jayhawks one, Luke. Bye, Bristol. Thank you for tuning in. April 20th. So Monday, next Monday. Well, I won't see you by then. So happy early birthday, Raleigh. Bye, Haley. Thank you for tuning in. I agree, Chloe. Oh, come on, Luke. Rock Chalk, man. You got to like it. That's cool, Greta. Making some adventures and discoveries. I don't know if that would classify as a part of your gym activity for the week. I don't know what you guys have to do for gym, but walking in the woods or making a fork could be one of them, maybe. Yeah, that's scary. You don't want to get cut by any rusty wire, otherwise that's tetanus for sure. Three old cars in my, it must be grandparents' woods. That's cool. Yeah, that's scary. Scary stuff. Yeah. Make sure you put some hand sanitizer on that. Bye, Emma. Thank you for tuning in. Goalie, I don't know if you're leaving, but I don't know if you were saying that to me or to Emma, but if you're leaving, see you later. All right, Wyatt's checked in. Thank you for letting me know that. Again, if you guys have questions, don't be afraid to ask. Bye, Raleigh. Again, happy early birthday. Bye, Chloe. It was. Yep, we wished him an early birthday, I think. Or yeah, early birthday on Wednesday. And I think Wednesday was Kendra's birthday. So we're hitting the birthdays here, I guess. Gave him a birthday shout out. Charlie, thank you for checking in. Anybody doing anything fun this weekend? I know you can't really do much, but anything fun or different than what you've been doing lately? Ella, thank you for tuning in. Is it bocce ball? Not bouncy ball? Is it bocce? Greta? Bocce ball's fun. No worries, Charlie. Didn't miss anything. If you have questions again, guys, let me know. I can go through go through the problem with you. Yeah, bocce ball. That's fun. I played that in gym with Mr. Bratlin. That's a fun game. This would be a good weekend for some yard games. That's a good idea. I had to pull some of those out. Gonna have to do some grilling. Or you guys should have your parents, if you guys have a grill some different foods. Now that's nice out. You can take your grills out if you have one at home. That's good, Ella. It's now that the weather's nice, the sun's gonna be. It'll change a lot of things. That's for sure. Moods make you more active. Oh, croquet. Yep, croquet is really fun. Greta, it's yeah, it's a very simple game, but also a very challenging game for sure. Welcome back, Blake. Must have gotten bored those 5 minutes that you were gone. Dominic, thank you for checking in. Ella, what do you mean we had it out the whole winter? You had croquet out? Oh. Well, it's still a little wet for farmers to get out in the fields, but if it stays like this, they'll be out for sure. Kiera, thank you for tuning in as well. Sorry, I should have just known that you both are tuning in. Oh, our grill. Got it. Yep. Sorry, I'm switching topics. Bye, Jesselyn. Thank you for tuning in. Jeez, you must have whacked it pretty hard, Greta. Oh, you guys put a pool up? That's cool. When I was younger, my parents had a pool for a few summers. And then us kids were supposed to take care of it and we never really did, so it got really nasty inside. So then we had to get rid of it, but oh, a thresher. Cool. Very cool, Charlie. Bye, Ella. Thank you for tuning in. How many of you jumped on the floaty then, Greta? Yep, Dominic and Kiera, if you guys don't have any questions, you're free to go. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So you're fighting over who can stay on the floaty the longest, basically. That's a lot. You too, Dominic, Kiera, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for checking in. Oh, that's cool, Greta. Oh, that's too bad. What are you building, Jillian? Anything specific, or are you just randomly putting the Legos together? An engine. That's cool. Are you going from memory, or do you have a like? Is it a kit, or how does that work? Oh, ouch! I bet you that hurt. Oh, very cool. That'd be cool. That'd be really cool to see that, Jillian, how it turns out. I I agree that Charlie, when it's like wet and muddy, that's what I don't like about spring. But if this sun stays out like it should, everything should dry up real fast. So that's the good part about the later on in the spring. Jeez, Greta, got to be careful with that when you're doing that. But I know it's all for fun. But yeah, I get what you're saying, Greta. They wanted you off that floaty, apparently. Oh, they wanted you in the water, not the floaty. Got it. Ooh, shoot. Ah. Diving. Oh, like, what do you mean by diving toys? Like ones that like sink down to the bottom of the pool? Yeah, that's true, Charlie. I mean, that's the crappy part. Unless you have a way to drain it from the big puddles into like a an outlet somewhere or to a ditch or something. But yeah, I bet you that's frustrating. I don't know if he's still with us, but Avery emailed. So he must have not been able to uh, comment or on live chat. But Avery was here, and if Avery, you're still here, thank you for checking in. Well, I'm guessing it when they get wet and they smack your bare skin. I bet you they do hurt. Oh, that's cool, Greta. I would think it would just go like wouldn't stay underwater. A Red Bull and Skittles. That's an interesting combination, Blake. And what's your favorite part about winter, Charlie? I like winter. It's just when it gets so cold. Like I hate that. I just don't like how it gets so cold. I can handle the snow, not the cold though. Like when it gets to like negative 20 or 30, yeah, no, I'm good. That's really cool, Jillian. That they move like is there a way that they move on their own or how does that work? I've never had Red Bull, Blake. Never have. And I probably never will. Just something that never intrigues me. Yep. Like you just go like roll it under behind you. Ice. That's your favorite part? Is the ice? That's interesting. Also, like there's something that you crank or like you move with your finger. That's cool, Jillian. See, that's something I don't think I would ever be able like I don't my mind doesn't work like that to like put random pieces together and make it work like that. I don't know if I could do that. Like if I had instructions on how to do it, then I could maybe do it, but ugh, they're brave souls for trying Red Bull. That's never intrigued me very much. Oh, good catch. Oh, bye, Greta. Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to probably stay on for another 7 minutes, 7 minutes. I am not trying it today. No, today is not going to be that day. I'll probably stay on. Yes, probably we'll let the stream go for 30 minutes and then I'll probably if there's any questions that need to be answered, I can answer them via email or over an independent Zoom. But sorry, Blake, not gonna happen. Good try though. I like the effort. Bang? Never even heard of Bang. Hmm. If that's an energy drink, the only energy drinks I've ever had, and this was when I was younger, were Monster and Venom. Those are the two that I've only I think of Rockstar. I've had Rockstar before. Those are the three I've had before. 7, yeah. Well, like in the summer, like the hotness doesn't get me. It's the humidity, Charlie, that bothers me a lot in the summers. How humid it gets. That's what makes it horrible with like Arizona heat. Like when it gets to like 90, it's not that bad because the humidity isn't bad. It's a dry heat. I like dry heat. I don't like wet heat. If that makes sense. Post stick than an engine. That's funny. The Venom stuff I liked. That was good. I liked Rockstar. That was okay. They have a lot of different flavors. It's heat, yeah. They're both heat, so I get it. Yeah, those are two. I like those two. I don't know. I wasn't crazy about Monster, but Rockstar and Venom I used to like. Again, I don't drink it anymore, but when I was younger, I'm more of a coffee or pop for the caffeine, not the energy drinks. That's too much sugar or caffeine for me. Bye, Charlie. Thank you for tuning in. The fruit Rockstar. I do not remember the kinds that I. Oh, fruit punch. Got it. I don't remember the kinds that I liked. Again, it was a while ago, but coffee is good. But energy drinks, I'm guessing, is better. You just gotta like the flavor of coffee. If you don't like it, then I understand. But that same thing with energy drinks. Some of them like they don't taste very good. You just gotta like the taste. What's yeah, I understand you want the caffeine and the energy, but the taste is part of it too. If you don't like the taste, then you're probably not gonna like drinking it. See, I'm more of just a black straight coffee drinker, but people need to have that extra like creamer and stuff in there. And I don't need that. So like that plays a factor into it as well. But I just like the taste of coffee. Like Charlie, the heat sometimes burns me a little bit, but can survive. I started drinking coffee when I was really young. Like my grandma used to have coffee and I would always have my own cup and drink it. Like I had to have been probably around your age, Blake, when I started drinking coffee, just black, and I liked it. French vanilla creamer. I think that's like the most common creamer is French vanilla. And I don't like that. I don't like the creamer in it. I don't know what it is, but just don't like it. But I think it's just Blake, I think it's just you, me, and Jillian. So uh I'm gonna tune off from the channel. Again, if you guys have individual questions, let me know. All right. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next week. Have a good weekend. See you guys later.